Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how I fry my fish. Now I will be using 2 pink snappers that I got from my local fish market. And for this recipe, you'll need a few sprigs of thyme, some rosemary, a few cloves of garlic, a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using some Maggi fish seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, some Creole seasoning, and like every Caribbean dish, some adobo. Let's get it started. Now I've already cleaned my fish. Now I had it gutted at the fish market and they took the fins out and majority of the tail. So I finished cleaning the inside. I used lime, lemon, and white vinegar. And now I'm just patting it dry because this is the key to having a fish that does not stick to your pan. It has to be patted down fully dry. So that's what I'm continuing to do here. And be sure to also pat it down dry inside as well as outside. And here I'm just going to be placing an incision, like about 1/2 inch, at least 2 on each side. And that's so the seasoning can be well incorporated inside of the fish once it is fried. You can get that flavor throughout your fish. So I'm doing it on the other side as well. As you can see, okay, so I'm gonna start seasoning. Just gonna start rubbing that seasoning in. Make sure you also put it in those incisions that you made. And be careful because there are still bones. All that seasoning is on there. Okay, make sure your oil is hot. Now some people lightly dust it with some flour. I just choose not to right now, but you can do that as well. No, very light. Now I'm gonna start going in with the fish. Next I'm gonna go in with my seasonings, my rosemary, my thyme. Be careful. My cloves of garlic. And pepper. I'm going to allow it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes on each side until golden brown, whichever comes first. So here I have some bell peppers cut up with some onion and some pimento that I'm gonna add to this small frying pan. Now I put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. That's the same oil that I fried the fish in. And I'm gonna saute this up in there.